Hello sunshine lovers, my name's Nikima and we are SpainHomes. Surrounded by all of these beautiful natural landscapes, I am in the town of La Nucia. This charming historical town is located in the province of Alicante and on the Costa Blanca. Today I'm going to be showing you an interesting, beautiful, classic Mediterranean property. This villa is impressive in that it stands out for its 3,000 square metre plot, and the villa itself is 460 square metres. It offers 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, beautiful expanse of space that includes terraces, gardens and a swimming pool, but also is overlooking mountains and giving you privacy. So let's begin the tour. As I'm entering the property on a plot that is 3,000 square metres, I am coming down a very lovely driveway through automatic gates for the vehicle and walking towards where you will have your parking spaces for your vehicle. The first thing that you can see with this garden is that it does surround the actual villa, and also it shows you really nicely the architectural design of the home being classic Mediterranean. But what we are in, it's overlooking the mountains and in the splendour of privacy and nature. And it's quite impressive as well to see how much garden space you actually have, not only as lawn space, but also as pathways too. This would be the entrance, the front door entrance for the home, as you would go up the stairs quite gently and arrive at the front door. But whilst I'm outside, let's explore outside. So I'm going to take you first of all this way. I'm going to take you past all of these beautifully old mature trees that form part of the landscaping of this garden, and past the areas where you will park your vehicles. Now carrying on, sweeping along this side of the actual home space outdoors, you have an extension of your garden some more, and they've adorned it with some fruit trees, but you could potentially landscape it even further to include the things that you like and love in your gardens. If you're an avid gardener, then this could potentially be the gardens for you. What I love about it is it's all the while bordering trees that actually give you a seamless balance between what is in front and also behind it, just more and more nature. And so I'm going to take you down the way, along the pathway that leads really gently down in a sloping ramp to what is the lower floor of the home. And it's still outdoor space that takes me automatically to what is the entertainment hub, a place for you to create memories with your family. This is where I am stood, an outdoor summer kitchen. With its roofed central location, it forms the focal point of what you can imagine would be many a day in the lovely climate that we have here with family and friends. It does come fully equipped in the sense that you have a pergola, you also have fans for air conditioning and keeping the climate cool, you have counters, cabinetry, an outdoor oven and also a kitchen sink. You then have your terraces begin, and they also continue and sweep right around this entire space. Can I just say, how big is it? So we've passed the outdoor shower, but you do also have here your swimming pool. The swimming pool is 10 by 5, and on one side you have your gentle steps that lead down into it and also give you access to the deeper end. I love the balance of privacy that you still have even on this side, as you find the swimming pool area is also lined with conifer trees, gorgeous pine trees, and well, more trees. Taking you over this way, and you can see that the pathways then do lead all the way nicely back up towards the front of the home. Now, whilst we're down here, we're going to now explore some of the lower level actual living spaces, as there are quite a few for the home. But I'm going to first take you back along the way that we came. So what we're doing is we're going to go past the terraces and past the outdoor summer kitchen. We're going to go back up the pathway. And I'm going to show you even more bedroom spaces now. So on this side of the home, you will see that it actually has its own separate entry point that leads to another room. This is a self-contained apartment in one regard, but what it currently actually offers is a bedroom with its own bathroom. This could perfectly work as a studio space, a workspace, a separate office that's not directly part of the home and has its own private access. It offers altogether 20 square metres, which does also include the bathroom, and maintains a height of 2.5 metres. What I like is that you've got your integrated wardrobes, and they form a nice border with your ensuite bathroom, which is fully equipped. Coming out of this bedroom, I'm now taking you back down the way that we came again. And we are exploring some more. And as an extension of, let's say, your exterior living and dining spaces, let's say you wanted to enjoy it even on the days where the weather isn't so great. Well, you have here your own glass fronted day room. This is also a room that gives you 13 square metres, and as it's glass fronted, it gives you easy access to the outdoors and also gives you views. Perfect if you're wanting to dine and not have to literally consider the wind. Taking you out of the day room, I'm now going to take you along the way some more, and you will find that it leads really nicely to another room. This is another bedroom. This bedroom offers views of your terrace and also of your swimming pool. Offering you 13 square metres, you also have air conditioning that works fluidly on this level with all of the rooms too. You also find that it has a fully equipped little ensuite bathroom. Taking you out of this room, and you will also find that the house comes comfortably with even more storage rooms, a couple of bathrooms, and places that can be converted into multifunctional rooms of various purposes, whether it be for recreation or just quite simply for storage. Sitting in one of the cafes located in La Nucia's old town, it's really wonderful to be able to enjoy the pace of this well-established residential area. After all, the old town is where it all began. You get to see whitewashed cobblestone streets with beautiful houses, as well as natural surroundings and landscapes of lush, dense greenery surrounding these urbanizations and also these beautiful homes. But it's still got a really lovely pace, in the sense that you can come to what is, for effectively here, this gorgeous bakery located on the main street and get a lovely breakfast. That being said, you also get to enjoy the fact that it's not a place just for tourism, but it's also a place for the residents to live their day-to-day lives. And you do get a real sense of that walking up and down the streets of this town. Hello and welcome. Come on into this lovely abode. So as you come in through the front door, you are coming into a spacious, warm and yet bright entry hall. This entry hall is giving you 20 square metres, and throughout the home you will find that the ceiling height is 2.5 metres. As you can see, like myself, the first thing that you come to notice is this wooden flooring that you will see seamlessly integrate a lot of the ground floor living space. And what you'll find is it's this Burmese teak wood that they have used, which does create a beautiful tone throughout the house and give it some colour and some character. By the actual front door, you will find that the house runs with all of the modern specifications you would expect. You have a robust security door, as well as an alarm system and a technical intercom system. Taking you now from what is the entry, I'm now going to start showing you the main living areas of this gorgeous home. So as I'm coming into what is the open plan living and dining room space, you will see that it comes into an expanse of living area that is just sublime. It gives you 100 square meters of space to create memories with your family, all while looking at the splendor and the backdrop of the pine trees, the rolling forests, and being in the mountains with so much privacy, your eyes can truly wander outside of this room seamlessly too. What I really like is that they have gone with this vast sized glass paned windows, so you really do get to appreciate and soak up the balance of nature through the gardens and also beyond. What you'll find is as you come to this side of the room, you do have patio doors for ease that give you access to a private terrace, which is great as well if you're wanting to experience outdoors on the ground floor. As we come out onto this terrace, it's really great in the sense that it gives you an additional 43 square meters on this floor alone. And what's great is you have access to being able to view so much. On a day like today, it's a little bit cloudy as we're still in spring and the weather can change. But can I just say, the peace and the privacy, it's wonderful. All I can actually hear right now is the birds. So now taking you back indoors, we're going to carry on to do a little bit more exploring. And in this room, I almost forgot to mention that you have electric shutters for your blinds, exterior and interior, and you also have lovely LED spots throughout. Taking you now into what is the separate kitchen, and this is again a spacious kitchen. This kitchen gives you 40 square meters of kitchen space, which is wonderful if you like to cook, because as you will see, I am surrounded by lots of cabinetry. In the middle here you have a central island, and within the central island you have a kitchen sink, you have your cooker and your extractor. You will find that the kitchen appliances are included along with the white goods and are Siemens and Bosch. On this side you will find that you have a double refrigerator and freezer. It was beeping at me earlier. But integrated within it you also have a wine chiller. On this side you have a continuation with your oven and microwave, storage cabinetry, and in the corner there you have the washing machine and the tumble dryer. I love that within the architectural design, the softness of the wooden finishes, you do still have that real touch of contemporary feel here, right here in the kitchen. And it doesn't stop there. So you have more cabinetry on this side, and you also have, should you need it, an additional sink. Now I'm going to take you back into the area that is the hall, the entry hall, as we were entering the home before, and take you to the nighttime side. So it comes into its own separate hall, and for functionality and comfort, it does also have on this level a fully equipped guest bathroom. Next to the guest bathroom, I'm now going to take you into the first bedroom. This bedroom is an inviting space, still with the wooden flooring continuing throughout. It offers 14 square meters. On one side you have a large window giving you views of your garden spaces, and then on the other you have integrated wardrobes. It's giving me kind of like, you know, dancing vibes, and I feel that this could potentially be a bedroom that's suitable for a child just because it's giving me rainbow colours, but to be fair, it could be an office as well. Taking you out of this bedroom, I'm now going to take you into what would be the primary suite. The primary suite comprises of 30 square meters of bedroom space to call your own. It also maintains a height of 2.5 meters, and as you can see, it still has the wooden features throughout. On one side you have a large window giving you views of the surrounding landscape, being pine forest, and also through this way it takes you really nicely into your walk-in closet or dressing room. This is great in the sense that it is fully equipped, is mirrored, but you have a lovely window at the end, still giving you views of your gorgeous garden. On the other side, as you come on through, it then takes you into an ensuite bathroom. And can I just say, this is a rather spacious ensuite bathroom, giving you a large vanity. It gives you windows on both sides, a very large bath that also works as your jet jacuzzi, as well as other fixtures and fittings for day-to-day comfort.
The nitty-gritty. The property tax, or EB, is €1,500 per year. There is no community fee, and the refuse is €180 per year. What stands out to me about this particular property is the enormous gardens that you can experience actually living here, and the quiet residential area that you're within. The property offers so much privacy that it's actually one of the things that I fell in love with, in the fact that you could do whatever you liked and no one would ever notice. But outside of that is a house that has high quality finishes, with the Burmese teak wooden floors running throughout, and so much outdoor space for the family to enjoy. They also have included modern specifications for comfort like electric shutters, double glazed anti-glare windows, hot and cold air conditioning, your own access to a natural water well, and a 2,500 litre capacity for your water to be stored for domestic use. So if you like this property, you'd like to know more, don't forget to go to our website, which is SpainHomes.estate, where you will find the description. And also don't forget to hit like and subscribe. My name's Nikima. It was great to see you again, and I'll see you in the sun next time. Hasta pronto!